a significant step towards promoting rural tourism and community development, students from the Bachelor of Social Work (BSW) program at Women's College have successfully helped establish a new ecotourism site benefiting 5 villages in the East Khasi Hills district. The initiative, which reflects the aspirations of the villages of Mawryngkeng, Saisiet, Lumkse and Lumdingsai, was formally inaugurated by the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, RM Kurba, during a special event held at Saisiet and Mawryngkeng. The launch was marked by a celebration attended by local residents, community leaders and dignitaries. Among those present were Mawryngkeng MLA Heaving Stone Kharpran and Nongthmai MDC Winston Tony Lingdo, who both expressed appreciation for the efforts of the students and the college. Speaking at the event, the MLA lauded the initiative as a meaningful step toward economic empowerment, noting that the project has the potential to generate livelihood opportunities for local communities. Also in attendance were Women's College Principal R. Roy, Vice Principal M. Das and Fatima Taryang, who is the head of the Social Work Department, along with village headmen, local officials and school children. MLA Heaving Stone Kharprang further assured continued support for the tourism initiative, pledging assistance to both the Social Work Department and partner villages in expanding tourism infrastructure and encouraging community-led development. The project underscores the role of academic institutions in driving grassroots change and fostering sustainable development in rural Meghalaya.
Use what is being taught in the classrooms, and they are making their presence felt. I was told that yesterday I could not come because suddenly there was a meeting, important meeting which I had to attend to. But the new park, I have been to the park and there is a viewpoint. So our aim is that we will take it forward, as Sir has just told me that DPR should be prepared. We'll look at it very seriously, and given the rationales of this area, the community at large, if they are happy with our work, we would very, heartily would like to work with it and prepare a DPR, try to get the fundings, and make this place, a source of livelihood for the people of this area. I hope, sir, we can actually take it forward, and so we'll have to sit with the department, sit with the people of this village and see what are their needs and prepare a document out of it. I'm sure in the future we'll have many more programs where we can highlight our progress and our dedication to the society. I hope that's the only way that academics or education will be relevant. If we are of use to you and we are making our presence felt. And Women's College has been trying that in a small way, but I think with our students have helped us make it bigger.
Pe ngis kamru nangis kawan the light that put kenika bas pemtaru iwai pat kipat can continue ya kapan tray hagenegi tandri shrong kibran indika time juni tingi kipat ke maulong ugati ke shrong ke bahe ke bahapa perkat apa te maulong mo kelok shwaban shwale sikidon lakto ke jimut maulong na tawan sai du ke sai manan sai du gini ke set kilong ke baram dor ak chugo manta Mansabun cai kikiar boh dengan tangiwan po doming sai rolesen doming sai kidon kita ki ding sai mo katrai ba lesi long shaman shwa cek kita ding sai lesi ki ding sai di beram dor ba jo dom kse don lesi don kita ki kse ki ba mi shwa termataru ki ba kam ta jing bujing bru dengan pai part section mo kan ring tendre men hani dong mo kan ring mo ki ang mo kan ring ting saramo tehni bre sto bane ki ai mo kan ring ting mi wa ting tip nai ka taw ki ai mo kan ring the sen part nga ai complain like in students bagilah penolong ini kan than jungi kum kata ka let's say kata ka project work jungi bagilah kita kedua bagilah poin muta kini ka 6 semester ke third year na try kim sem show bagi thai do celaki jungi ying jungi shnong jungi ban pengkreat pada jungi bersenang dan ni ban stang kam jam te section part Pergi bagilah simbun inisiatif, nakaliang ke sports, nakaliang buat kini kita orang principal bagilah sim inisiatif berkat berkesan, ban stangi kini kita point kejapak kini kita senang. Ini skema punya continue kini pelai rap nasau tu lagi jengong kita macam, pelai rap sipun ni kepannya wan kelak nanti kembali ban orang ke roy kepar dan ban hikai kibriu, ban motivate kibriu, ban bagian stang menjengkel cuci cat, ban rak tu nanti bagian jauh kamajong. Pijingan kita park mau kini point di kena rapsibun ni kita jungi lada kinwan lada latip kiwai park jungi media ni rapsibun ba kiwai kibriu nak kiwai ke dong kiwai ke than ban ni syabar cenar kesuan ban pekai jadi kini ke point senang ba kini kibriu dan ini par media jungi kinyo kalat ban jauh kampai ban di cingdi perkibun ba kebuta kiban deskerja dan buat pijing ram disirap dan jung pigi ikna. Dengan sekarang tu, nadadan kena ke jinge pilapan ni kedua yang aru ngakula bender karangkat. Pada dakilan kini ke park dengan yang principal pan ini IP pan silakan jadi project report. Pada masa tu mana ke department juga tourism kebun berkefan. Pada data yang ketika detail project report ketemu guidelines kemudian kita banyak kefan ini terangkat ban banyak fund dan kita berketiu ini kesenang. Baru ini kisah sistem, pada nanti kita akan jungi. Kalau ini cikir part, kita juga ekonomi kuat. Akan kita thai jungi. Di ngobrol ni ban ong tang ban ket pocket riang, ba punya ya seprang, ban train dan kita kebahagiaan juga emang salang. Kena menunggu cakap hidon. Kan maksud tu bagi ni students, kini biasa dulu 6 semester kiwan kiwai per kisah. Macam dia na West Cousins, tiga kisah dari pisau ba kini ka jika juga kalau kum ke second home, mungkin jem bagai kum ke yang jonghi, tapi so sky so ternat bani terikta hagen ni ke tok tanji. Kecuali musim berpidon, nak continue ni sekmat, bani continue lem, jadi kita juga film kecing shine, jadi kita juga hagen ni ke thai. Tapi ngaji ni kena sekolah bukan kapor, kita red, tengok iki bagian dari ban penyuksan ni students kelah kami. Bat pilih belong kita minat, bat kita sebat ban pelekot, baik berkongu dengan ikai. Kata katong berfirpoi sekilas dua juga nam. Jadi simpan dengan kita dalam syawal kepon, bat pelekot bandan, mau bandan kat kepon, bat ngin skablu negara jung piru, ilok mi kelong pa ban ainam ketika mon kita yang kecil persang, jung kini kita nak women's college kita, train nam tak bahkan jung ni katong ketanjungi.
KA ba I MLA badan buram jungi ba heveng gila dep keren ngas ngodei ba kadai ke kentin ki ba shong sbai bat ki ba ai jingmut chibon ban kentiu ban kentu ya KA ba ngi kum ki ni pai ba nong shong snong jong ni ka than gila dep ya bat gila dep ban ya kendu lingba ka jingdon jong kini ki students na po women's college ngai kopleiru I Imam Fatima ibadan hangni ibadai I nohikai in charge yapi ban supervise I Justin ibadai perlok ijonga. In fact kini ki nohikai ki badan apa women's college kila along just like my family member. I've been associated with so many of their programs since my wife joined women's college long time back. Tingai koplei yapi iwei ki long kemi ki long kpa khamtam ki hep ki baret but ki students ki badan hangni bat kamtam ye gitu ki pelak dep ban pen I ya kasap kapong lingba ki programs lingba ki jingshat bat ki jingwai ki ba pelak dep ban pen I hikmat jongi hakani kapor ngakit bab ke yang ye pi baro sa shisin hakani ka sngi ngets kem bakani ka patch ka bala don ringkat bat ka snong ka jong pi kini ki sandali ki snong hakini ki arsnam ki bala dep kila no senyang shikat dai hakaban yalam lani ban pen I ya ki nong shong snong jong ni ka than ya ke ai ka bagi dei ban le ha ka jing im ka ba man la ka sngi ka jongki bat nga nget skemru ka batch ka bathmai ka banangwan nang ni shakmat phi kum ki nong shong snong pinyo ban yalam lenti ya ki ban ya kren ban ya phliu jingmot bat ban ya don ban talang hakikam ki ban kentiu ya kayo kokot bat ya kabha kamiat ke jongpi nang ni syakmat ngakit bok ket wiang tam ya kani ka snong hi borok kawai ya ki students jong ka women's college principal bat vice principal bat ki nong kai in charge pti bat nget scam ba ka program kamnum dei ka program ka mencukut no tan hakani ka por hakani ka janmit hakani ka singi ka menta and nget scam ha ki por ki badang sawan pindang yo shu ya kum kini ki jat program ki ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot kham tam ha ka sneng ka kraw ka be dei bat ki khon ki ti ki jong phi na kani ka than khoblei shi jarngo oblei undon rengkat lang bat phi khoblei shibol